Verizon 5G home internet delivers high-speed internet wirelessly using Verizon's 5G network. It's a plug-and-play alternative to traditional cable or fiber, especially beneficial in areas with limited wired infrastructure. As of late 2025, Verizon covers over 70 million households with average download speeds of 1 to 3 gigabit in ultra-wideband areas. You'll receive an outdoor antenna and indoor router. No cables are installed. Simply check your address for eligibility on Verizon's website to get started. First, place your outdoor antenna in a location with a clear view of the sky, at least 10 feet off the ground. Connect it to the power adapter and wait for the indicator lights to turn solid green. Next, plug the indoor router into a power outlet and connect it to the outdoor antenna via Ethernet cable. Download the My Verizon app to activate the service by scanning the QR code on the router or entering the serial number. Follow the prompts to set up your Wi-Fi network and test the connection. If speeds are low, reposition the antenna or contact Verizon support.